Your grace will be enough when my eyes can't see what you have prepared for me. Your grace will be enough, and strength is rising as I wait patiently. Your words, they comfort me. Strength is rising. Lift up your heads.
Siyempre, basta lahat naman ang galing kay wife, memorable naman siya sa
It's
importante.
not done yet. Our King will come with the morning light, bringing joy to the darkest of night. Carry on,
Surprise.
pilgrims.
Thank you, Daddy. Sobrang na-surprise ako.
End of your wanderings, lift your hands and bless.
Thank you kasi hindi mo ako iniwan sa mga panahong naligaw ako ng landas. Pangako ko sa inyo ni Baby na aayusin ko yung sarili ko. I'll be a better version of myself. Not only for me, but for you and for Baby Stella.
Maraming beses na sinubok tayo ng panahon. Nagpapasalamat ako na sa mga panahong yon, pinili natin ang isa't isa. Mahal kita kasi araw-araw mas pinipili mong maging mabuting tao. Mahal kita dahil mahal mo ko. Mahal kita dahil mahal mo yung pamilya mo. Mahal kita dahil mahal mo si Stella. At higit sa lahat, mahal kita dahil mahal mo si Lord.
Carry on, oh you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, for the journey is long. At the end of your wanderings, lift your hands and bless the Lord. Carry on, oh you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, the strength will still come. At the end.
God really gave me you as my partner for the rest of my life. So I promise that I will love you, I'll be forever faithful, and to be the best dad and father that you could ever ask for.
Set your face to Zion and see great things has our God yet to bring. Every step I will choose to believe that your promise is unraveling. Set your face to Zion and see great things has our God yet to bring. Every step I will choose to believe that your promise is unraveling. Carry on, all you pilgrims.
Nagkaroon ng time na kailangan niya talagang mamili kung mag-stay siya doon or uuwi na ba siya. Siguro hiningi ko rin yun na sign kay Lord na pagka pinili niya ako, parang I will do right by Him. At saka, pag pinili niya ako, ibig sabihin, dapat piliin ko din siya. So yun, I'm glad na umuwi siya ng time na yun na-face kami ng ganong problem.
Tender and kind, built over time. This is my love.
Siyempre, college pa lang nun. Okay na sa kanya yung tusok lang. Yung fishball, calamares. So parang yun na yung date namin nung college. So parang doon ko siya nagustuhan na kahit simpleng bagay na appreciate niya.
Shout from the city gates, hear heaven bless us stay.
siyempre kay Mommy, thank you for the sacrifices that you've done for both of us ni ate, especially being a single mom.
Pull all the barriers down.
Jaya, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Daniel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Let the sound be heard. Let the songs be sung. I have found the one that this heart loves. Let the veil be torn. Save yourself no more. Let this love in me find a home in yours.
We are not perfect. Most of the time, sometimes, makakagawa kayo ng mali, di ba? Sa isa't isa. But then, if you know how to forgive each other, then you will continue a peaceful and happy married life.
Let go and hear the sound. Pull all the barriers down.
Pangako na mamahalin kita habang buhay. Pangako na magiging tapat ako sa iyo ng buong buo. At higit sa lahat, pangako na hindi ako magbabago. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy.